Tell me about yourself.
Good morning, sir. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity. My name is Pravalika and I am from Warangal. I have completed my BTech in Electrical and Kamala Institute of Technology and Science in the stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering with an aggregate of 7.2 GPA. And I have completed my Diploma in Jyotishmati Institute of Technological Sciences in the stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering with an aggregate of 79%. I have technical skills like MS Word, MS Office, and also I have completed my manual testing in Vcube software solutions. And my strengths are adaptability nature, and I'm a quick learner, and I can communicate easily with others, and I'm a hard worker, and I'm a self-motivated person. I have completed my academic projects in diploma like wireless charger, and also an academic project in BTech, transformer-less grid feeding to the current source inverter for solar photovoltaic systems.
Okay, can I have a resume?
Yes, sir.
So explain your graduation project.
Sir, I have did the project of transformer-less grid current source inverter, sir. Without using transformer, we have to give the current to the solar photovoltaic system from the solar photovoltaic system. When the sunrays fall on the solar photovoltaic system, it generates some current, sir. So that current is given to the that current is given to the transformer, but here we are given to the inverter, sir, H6 inverter. From H6 inverter, we are taking the AC current and we are giving to the solar applications, sir.
Okay, so you are getting energy from the sun.
Yes, sir.
You are giving it to the energy to the inverter, right?
Yes, sir.
What type of current you are giving?
DC
AC
current.
or DC?
DC current, sir.
Okay, what is the difference between an inverter and a rectifier?
Inverter is which converts DC current to AC current, sir. Rectifier from AC to DC, sir.
Okay. I think you've done electrical and electronics engineer, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between an electrical and electronics?
Electrical means working on motors.
Okay.
Electronics means working on microprocessor, microcontrollers.
Okay. Microprocessor, microcontroller also running with a small motor,
yes,
only, right? What is the difference between an electrical and electronics?
Electrical is completely non-technical, sir. Means
non-technical.
Hardware side.
Okay. Electronics?
Electronics is some of software and hardware, sir.
My laptop is a hardware and software. My laptop is a hardware and software. What is this?
Software, sir. Hardware and software, both, sir.
Okay. That means it is electrical and electronics only, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between it? Electrical deals with
current,
kilos, megawatts,
watts, kilowatts.
Whereas electron deals with millis, micros, nano. That you need to know it. Okay, no problem. So, okay, what is the current that you are going to provide to the transformer? Whatever current we can provide to the transformer? AC or DC?
DC, sir.
Transformer take DC current?
It converts alternating AC to fixed AC.
What is the use of a transformer?
It is used to step up and step down the current.
Okay, good. It uses it to step up and
step down
the current. Good. Not an issue. So, what are the things that you're good on manual testing?
So, STLC, SDLC, agile process models, defect life cycles.
Why defect will be rejected?
When QA lead gives the application which is defected, then the developer team will receive, and the developer team will know that the defect is invalid or duplicate. Then the developer team will reject the defects.
Okay. So who will review the defect in initial stages?
QA member, sir.
QA member will review the defect?
Reviewing the defect by QA lead or manager.
Okay, what is the reason behind it? The defect will be deferred?
When the defect is given by the QA lead or manager, the developer team will defer the application because that working on that defect is not his priority work. That means that he has another work or any other work. So the defect will be deferred.
What is the difference between a regression testing and retesting?
Regression testing is when a code change happens in an application, then that code change will be side affected to the another application which is connected to it. And retesting is when a defect is happen and it is fixed by the when a defect is given by the QA team and the defect is given by the developer team, the QA team will recheck the defect whether it is working or not.
Okay. If the defect is not working as per the user needs, then what QA team will do?
QA team will reopen the defect and will send to the developer team.
Okay. So can you write the test cases for this water bottle?
Yes.
Just a minute. Good. So can you write the same test cases on your pen?
Yes.
Verify the width of the pen, height of the pen, color, refill color, cap of the pen. Okay. So what is the difference between a waterfall model and agile model?
Waterfall model is a linear sequential model, and it is not used for larger projects, and it is there is no backup process. In agile model, we have backup process, and we can add iterations in the middle of the phases. In agile process, we have two methodologies: Scrum methodology and Kanban methodology.
Explain more on agile process.
In agile process, we have product owner, Scrum master, and also Scrum team. The product owner will give the user stories, and he should be from client, and he will decide the sprint duration. Scrum master will manage the team, and he should not be the technical, and he conduct the meetings and removes the miscommunications between the team. QA team and developer team will work on the user stories.
Okay, on what basis you will work on user stories? Did you have any duration onto it?
Yes, sprint duration of 2 weeks.
2 weeks? Okay.
General weeks are 1 to 4
You're telling
weeks.
that, okay, every user stories has been based upon sprints only they are working on it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's take an example. You raise a defect, you report the defect to developer.
Yes, sir.
On seeing the defect, that is a valid defect only. On seeing the defect, developer has been reject the defect.
Okay, sir.
Then what will do?
I'll report to the QA lead or QA member, QA manager, with comments that the defect is valid, but QA team has been rejected the defect.
Again, after reporting the QA lead or QA manager also, still developer reject the defect. Then what you will do? You are the owner for the defect, right?
Yes, sir.
On what basis you raise a defect? You raise a defect, right?
Yes,
on
sir.
reference to what? On reference to what we raise a defect? You raise a defect based upon the requirements only, right?
Yes, sir.
That application is not at all working as per user needs, then only you will raise a defect, right?
Yes, sir.
If it's not related to the requirements, then you raise a defect. Obvious. First of all, convey the developer saying that I raise a defect, you are rejecting the defect. See, the defect is related to the requirement only. Because you are the owner for the defect. You are not taking the ownership. You are depending upon going to your lead. Why you are going to lead? Try to show the developer, try to contact the developer, say that I raise a defect which is related to requirement only. See the requirement and see my defect. You need to accept it because that is related to requirement only. That's the only thing that you need to take the ownership onto this. Okay, what are your roles and responsibilities that you have taken in your graduation project?
Sir, I am the team member, sir. I have done
design you are
of the
member, right?
Yes, sir.
So why can't you be a lead? What is the reason? What is the reason why you are not taking the leadership of your graduation project?
I'm the leader only, sir.
You told member.
Team leader, sir.
A team leader.
Yes,
what are the
sir.
qualification of team leader?
Managing the team, sir. Assigning the works to the team members. And with seeing whether the project is done on time or not.
That is the only qualification of a leader. No more qualifications.
Communicating with others and like team members. Checking whether they are doing the work or not, and trying them to motivating them to do the.
Good. So that's it from me and Pravalika. So regarding your resume, right? Try to add your graduation project more onto it because it never contains any information onto your graduation project.
Okay, sir.
Try to add your roles and responsibilities as well.
Okay,
Don't
sir.
mention about your role, but also try to add your roles and responsibilities and try to add the team size and try to add the technical skills. You told right you learn manual testing and Vcube, right?
Yes, sir.
Try to add those technical stuff as well. What I've given, right? You know STLC, you know
STLC,
STLC,
yes.
you know functional testing, you know levels of testing, you know methods of testing, right?
Yes.
Those things will be added and also try to elaborate more on agile process.
Okay,
There
sir.
are n number of things we people has discussed about agile process, right?
Yes.
Try to add it and also add the defect life cycle, defect analysis, defect categories. All those things has been discussed. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Try to add it and also we have started working on Jira, right?
Yes, sir.
Try to add few things on Jira also
Okay.
because you can add that. I know that manual tools or management tools like Jira or something like you can add it. That is the only thing that I need to provide from my side. And also, you're good on technical, but be good on your communication as well.
Okay, sir.
Improve more on communication, improve more on technical.
Okay, sir.
So that is the only suggestion that I can provide feedback on you. And do you have any questions apart from this?
No, sir.
No questions? Nothing? Okay. Okay, Pranlika, then you can leave. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.